everyone. I am Rinante M. Colbert. I will explain the Lab 7, which is the K-means clustering. This code imports libraries for data handling, visualization, and machine learning, specifically to load the iris dataset, standardize its features, reduce its dimension using PCA, and apply K-means clustering to analysis and visualization. This code loads the iris dataset, storing the future data and X in the true class labels in Y used only for comparison, not for clustering. This code standardizes the future data X so that each feature has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, storing the result in X scale. This code applies k-means clustering with three cluster to, to the standardized data X scale using a fixed random seed for reproducibility. This code retrieves the cluster label for each data point in cluster and the coordinates of the cluster center in centers. This code reduces the data in cluster center to two dimension using PCA, storing the transfer data in X PCA and transfer cluster center and center PCA for visualization. Code visualize the 2D PCA transfer data points colored by cluster along with red markers in showing the cluster controls.